If you're trying to figure out how to track retainers and project-based payments, this video will walk you through the easiest and most effective ways to manage these payments without all the hassle. Stick around until the end for an exclusive offer on a software that will make this process even easier for you. Tracking retainers and project-based payments is essential for freelancers and agencies who need to keep finances organized. First, let's talk about the key difference between these two. A retainer is a set amount you receive upfront to ensure your availability over a longer period, while project-based payments are typically one-off fees that you get for completing a specific task or project. The first step in tracking these payments is setting up a system to record incoming payments. You can use simple spreadsheet software or an invoicing tool, but I recommend using software designed for managing client payments and project milestones. The software we'll be using in this tutorial is super simple and intuitive. It allows you to categorize payments, set reminders for recurring retainer payments, and track progress on project-based payments as you go. Start by creating a client profile in the software for each retainer and project-based payment arrangement. Add the details, like the retainer amount, the payment due date, or the total project fee, and specify any relevant milestones. For retainers, set it to repeat monthly, quarterly, or however often your arrangement is, so you never miss an invoice. For project payments, make sure to break down the total into milestones and set the payment schedule for each. Once your payments are set up, tracking becomes a lot easier. You'll get automatic reminders for the upcoming payments and invoicing tasks, so you can stay on top of your cash flow without scrambling at the last minute. The software will also allow you to record incoming payments and mark them off as they come in, making it easier to see what's still owed or paid. Another important feature of the software is its ability to generate financial reports. These reports can be filtered by project, client, or payment type. This is especially helpful when you're working with multiple clients on retainer or project-based arrangements. You can instantly get an overview of your financial health and know which projects need attention or follow-up. Now, here's a tip to really optimize tracking. Always set clear terms in your contracts. For retainers, specify the length of the commitment and payment frequency. For project-based work, outline the milestones and payment breakdown clearly. This avoids confusion later and ensures you're both on the same page. One last piece of advice. Make sure to save a portion of retainer payments or project fees to cover taxes. Managing your finances isn't just about tracking payments. It's also about planning for taxes, especially since both retainers and project fees can significantly affect your income. If you're looking to take this process to the next level, make sure to check out the software we've used in this video. You can get an exclusive free trial if you're a viewer of my channel. Just click the link in the description below. Key takeaway: tracking retainers and project-based payments isn't just about managing income, it's about creating a reliable system that ensures you're paid on time and can plan for the future. Always set up your client profiles, use automated reminders, and generate reports for easy tracking. Remember, if you want to follow along, grab the exclusive free trial of the software in the description below. Thanks for watching.